Senator Nancy Binay sees a similarity between traditional jeepneys and ABS-CBN. Binay posted her observation on Twitter. The operations of jeepneys were stopped when Metro Manila was placed under community quarantine. 3 months later, traditional jeepneys are still banned on the roads. ABS-CBN, on the other hand, has been off the air since May 5. The National Telecommunications Commission ordered the network to shut down due to an expired franchise.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.